Decoding peak surge in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, peak surge. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and its significance in various contexts. Let's get started. Peak. Peak generally refers to the top or highest part of something, especially one forming a point. In the context of data or events, it can signify the highest point or maximum level. Examples: Mount Everest is the peak of the world. The singer's popularity was at its peak in the 1990s. Surge. Surge means a sudden powerful forward or upward movement. It can be used to describe things like electricity, water, emotions, or even events. Examples: the city experienced a surge in tourism last summer. After the rains, there was a surge of water in the river. When combined, the phrase, peak surge, usually describes the highest or most intense sudden increase in something. It often implies a temporary condition that will decrease or normalize after reaching this point. Examples: the hospital is preparing for the peak surge of patients due to the flu season. The electric company warned customers about potential blackouts during the peak surge in demand. Peak surge can be used in various fields. 1. Medical, referring to the highest number of cases in an outbreak. 2. Electricity, describing the highest demand or load on the grid. 3. Natural phenomena, indicating the highest point in tidal waves, river flow, etc. Always be mindful of the context when using or interpreting the phrase. There you have it. The phrase, peak surge, describes the pinnacle or utmost intensity of a sudden increase. Just as waves crest before they recede, many events or situations in life might experience a peak surge before settling down. We hope this explanation sheds light on its meaning and use. Happy learning!